Hello beauties, welcome again to Wendy Style. I want to continue on how you can care for your hair. So if your hair is particularly in need of some TLC, like if your hair has been bleached before, your maybe if it suffered some damage from the UV rays or damage from pollutions or from chlorine, then you may be in need of an even stronger option. So if someone is experiencing damage or has color treated hair, so you can try some good shampoos. Like I know of the Brigio Don't Despair Repair Shampoo, or you can look for order that will suit your hair type, because the popular option was made with damaged hair in mind, and it features those fortifying plant proteins like moisturizing rosehip oil and antioxidant rich algae extract. So you can see it's something you can try, and it has this good scent, you know, and it's a kind of product you can use because it will always make your hair look good, and it will really make those damaged hair, to start looking voluminous and looking healthy and fuller again. So it's also important to incorporate those clarifying shampoo into your natural head care routine. Like if you work out frequently, or you live in a hot or humid climate, or if you use a lot of hair products and stylers that could result in buildup. So it's suitable for you try um, one of those detox shampoo. This detox shampoo, you can see it in MIELLE, you can see it in Cow's Daughter. So it's suitable for all hair types and especially effective at cleansing excess oil like from user's scalp. And you will notice, if you use it, you will notice it will banish flakes and dandruff. And it's a crucial quality that we head into, you know quality into the winter months. So it will be good you use it. One thing with it is, although it's a little bit expensive, but it's one of a kind, like in my opinion. So whether you have sensitive skin or a sensitive scalp, you know it will work so well without even drying out your hair so much. So it's something I can also recommend that will make your hair look good, and make you have those healthy hair you want. So for many with those high porosity natural hair, just go wash is just that excellent alternative to shampooing, because this is particularly the case for those who really need to wash their hair every day but don't want to use a potentially stripping shampoo each time. So if you're experiencing those increased dryness or freeze, you may want to incorporate this product. So let me just let you guys to just check out what we have for you guys, and let us know your mind on how you feel about this hairstyle. You have any question, you can ask. I appreciate you, my returning subscribers, my new subscribers. God bless you guys. Stay locked to Wendy Styles, and see you guys in my next video.
I am the Lord, I heard you cry. No need to worry, no need to fear anymore. Bring it on, bring it on. Drop it at my feet. Doesn't matter what the doctors say to you. Drop it at my feet. Doesn't matter all that you've been going through. Drop it at my feet. It may have been there for 10 years or more. Drop it at my feet. Oh. I am the Lord, I heard your cry. I am the Lord, I'm merciful. Hey. I am the Lord, I'm not a man. Oh. I am the Lord, I heard you cry. Hey. Oh, 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 oh. Bring it on to my feet. Nothing is so hard for me to do again. Oh, drop it at my feet. Oh, drop it at my feet. Oh, oh, bring it on. Ayana. Why? Usukariari eleno kuka. I am the Lord, I heard you cry. Hey. I am the Lord, I heard you cry. I saw you cry at night when no one was watching. Anna. I saw you tears when no one was watching. I will wipe your tears. I'm the God of all flesh. Oh no, no, oh, oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, Kanya Nabakubaraba.
SublimeGospel.com.
I am the Lord, I heard your cry. Drop it at my feet. Doesn't matter what the doctor said to. Drop it at my feet. It may have been 10 years, 10,000 years, many years or more, many years or more. Drop it at my feet. My yoke is light, my burden is light. Ayadana mono kosheta lebrango shatanaba. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Yo. Oh my God and my Father, bless your people. Take away their pains. Ayanabana yokoshetanda yanaba. Doesn't matter what the landlord says to you. Nana. Ayadabadaba.